So I made this AI model Lena. uh, we can ask some questions to it, like what is okay, what about like that. Who are you? How old are you? Okay, now it is available at lena.mrlithma.in. It's active for, I don't know, just some more few months, because my domain is gonna expire soon and I'm poor and I don't have money. So okay, leaving all that aside, I made an API for this. It's a free API, temporary API with a time limit of 4 hours. So the API will expire after 4 hours. For that, just go to bitmine.mrlithma.in. Okay, then here, then for developers, then get started. You'll be redirected to bitmine.mrlithma.in/API. Here, put one of your username. uh, okay, then here, for how many hours, the minimum is 1 and the maximum is 4. So let's go for 2 hours. Then here, if you want your API key to be only accessed by a specific site, then put this, and then you can put this, any links of your domain. Suppose this one. So if I copy and I paste, so only this website will be able to make an API call, but I'm not gonna do that for now. Okay, that's it. I generate, wait for some time. Here you go, the API key generated. Now you can get for code for the JavaScript or the Python. Let's go for the Python code. First of all, let's copy it. Then I'm gonna go to VS Code, paste it here. Okay, then let's get our API key. Okay, then let's go here, let's paste it. Username Mr. Lathana. What is my prompt? Prompt is uh, who is Nikola Tesla? I guess that was the spelling. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's a recorded response. Nikola Tesla. Okay, Nikola Tesla was an Serbian American inventor. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Check out this API. It's a free API. It lasts for 4 hours, and after that you can no longer use it. So it's just a one-time API. Don't worry, you can generate unlimited API here, but don't waste it. Thanks for watching.